Welcome to Crystal Store. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most beloved crystals in the world, amethyst. This stunning purple stone has captivated hearts for centuries, and for good reason. Whether you're new to crystals or a seasoned collector, amethyst offers something truly special. Let's explore why this stone deserves a place in your life. What makes amethyst so special? Amethyst is a variety of quartz that gets its beautiful purple color from natural irradiation and iron impurities. The shades can range from light lavender to deep violet, and each piece is completely unique. This crystal has been treasured throughout history by ancient civilizations, royalty, and spiritual seekers alike. The Greeks believed it could prevent intoxication, which is actually where its name comes from. Amethyst means not intoxicated in Greek. Today, we understand its power goes far beyond that ancient belief. This stone carries a gentle yet powerful energy that works on multiple levels of our being, making it one of the most versatile healing crystals available. The calming power of amethyst. One of amethyst's greatest gifts is its ability to bring calm to our busy minds. In our modern world, filled with constant notifications, endless to-do lists, and daily stress, finding moments of peace can feel impossible. This is where amethyst truly shines. When you hold this stone or keep it nearby, many people report feeling a wave of tranquility wash over them. It's like having a gentle friend who reminds you to breathe and slow down. The energy of amethyst works to soothe anxiety, reduce mental chatter, and create a sense of emotional stability. If you find yourself overthinking or feeling overwhelmed, spending time with amethyst can help restore your inner balance. It doesn't force calmness upon you, but rather supports your natural ability to find peace within yourself. Better sleep and peaceful nights. If you struggle with sleep, amethyst might become your new bedside companion. This crystal is famous for promoting restful, rejuvenating sleep. Many people place amethyst on their nightstand or under their pillow to invite peaceful dreams and deeper rest. The stone's calming energy helps quiet the racing thoughts that often keep us awake at night. It can also reduce nightmares and promote more pleasant dream experiences. Some users report that their sleep quality improves significantly after introducing amethyst into their bedroom. The key is consistency. Keep your amethyst close to where you sleep, and over time, you may notice you're falling asleep more easily, staying asleep longer, and waking up feeling more refreshed. Remember, while amethyst is a wonderful tool, it works best when combined with good sleep habits, like maintaining a regular schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Awakening your intuition. Beyond its calming properties, amethyst is deeply connected to spiritual awareness and intuition. This crystal is strongly associated with the third eye chakra, which is the energy center related to insight, wisdom, and inner knowing. When you work with amethyst regularly, you may find that your intuitive abilities begin to strengthen. You might notice you're picking up on subtle energies more easily, trusting your gut feelings more often, or receiving clearer guidance during meditation. Amethyst acts like a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms, helping you access deeper levels of consciousness. It doesn't give you psychic powers overnight, but it does create the right conditions for your natural intuitive gifts to flourish. Many people use amethyst when they need to make important decisions, as it helps clear mental fog and allows inner wisdom to come through. Perfect for meditation practice. If you meditate or want to start a meditation practice, amethyst is an excellent companion. Holding an amethyst crystal during meditation or placing it on your third eye can deepen your experience significantly. The stone's energy helps you enter a meditative state more easily and stay focused throughout your practice. It quiets the mental noise that often disrupts meditation and creates a protective, sacred space around you. Even if you are a complete beginner to meditation, amethyst can help make the process feel more natural and accessible. Try sitting comfortably, holding your amethyst in your left hand, which is your receiving hand, and simply focus on your breath. Notice how the crystal's energy interacts with your own. Some people feel tingling sensations, others experience visual imagery, and some simply feel a profound sense of peace. There's no right or wrong way to experience it. Your journey with amethyst in meditation is uniquely yours. Emotional balance and healing. Amethyst is a powerful ally for emotional healing and balance. Life brings challenges, heart itches, and emotional wounds that need time and care to heal. This crystal supports the healing process by helping you process difficult emotions without becoming overwhelmed by them. It encourages emotional centering and helps you see situations from a higher perspective. If you're going through grief, disappointment, or any form of emotional pain, working with Amethyst can provide comfort and strength. It doesn't take away the pain, but it helps you move through it with more grace and resilience. The stone also helps release negative thought patterns and emotional baggage from the past. By clearing away what no longer serves you, Amethyst makes room for more positive emotions and experiences to enter your life. Protection from stress and negative energy. In addition to its calming properties, Amethyst offers energetic protection. It creates a shield around your aura that helps deflect negative energy and stress from your environment. This makes it particularly useful for people who work in challenging environments or who are sensitive to other people's emotions. Carrying Amethyst with you throughout the day acts like spiritual armor, keeping your energy field clear and protected. It's especially helpful if you're around people who drain your energy, or if you're in stressful situations regularly. Cleansing and caring for your amethyst. Like all crystals, amethyst needs regular cleansing to maintain its energy and effectiveness. Over time, crystals can absorb negative energy from their environment, which can dull their power. The good news is that cleansing amethyst is easy. You can rinse it under cool running water for a few minutes while setting the intention to clear away any accumulated energy. Another method is to place it in moonlight overnight, especially during a full moon. The moon's energy naturally cleanses and recharges crystals. You can also use smoke from sage, palo santo, or incense to cleanse your amethyst. Simply pass the stone through the smoke several times. Sound cleansing with singing bowls or bells is another effective option. One thing to note, avoid leaving amethyst in direct sunlight for extended periods, as the UV rays can fade its beautiful purple color over time. With proper care, your amethyst will serve you faithfully for years to come. Amethyst truly is a remarkable crystal that offers calm, clarity, and spiritual connection. Whether you're seeking better sleep, emotional balance, enhanced intuition, or simply a sense of peace in your daily life, this purple stone is ready to support you. At Crystal Store, we're passionate about helping you find the perfect crystals for your journey. Remember, working with crystals is a personal experience, and the relationship you build with your amethyst will be unique to you. Trust the process, stay open to the possibilities, and let amethyst guide you toward inner peace and spiritual awareness. Visit Crystal Store, where nature and peace meet, and discover the magic of amethyst for yourself.